Welcome to GentleTide Tranquility, your sanctuary of peace and mindfulness. Here, amidst the ebb and flow of life, we embrace the gentle tides within us. Each moment with us is a journey towards inner calmness, a voyage to the heart of serenity. Whether you're seeking a moment of quiet reflection or a deep, meditative experience, you're in the right place. In our busy lives, finding a space to pause and breathe can be transformative. At GentleTide Tranquility, we offer you this space. A space where each breath brings you closer to your true self, where each ripple of your thoughts smoothens into tranquility. Join us on this journey. Subscribe and embark on a path of peaceful discovery, where every video is a step towards inner harmony and mindful living. Thank you for being here. Let's begin this journey together.